Welcome to the Manhattanville College Library video series. In this video, we are going to be using Google's advanced search. In case you haven't checked it out, why don't you check out our other two videos on Google Advanced and Google Image Searching. For right now, I'm going to ask you to make sure that you have an internet accessible computer and get to the internet and type in Google, www.google.com. From the Google main page, we're just going to select More. And from that drop-down arrow, you're just going to go to Scholar. And Google Scholar provides a simple way to broadly search for scholarly literature. From one place, you can search across many disciplines and sources. You can find peer-reviewed papers, theses, books, abstracts, and articles from academic publishers, professional societies, preprint repositories, universities, and other scholarly organizations. Google Scholar helps you to identify the most relevant research across the world of scholarly research. So for right now, we're going to do a search on college students and stress. So for right now, we're going to type in, using quotation marks, college students. We're going to put that in quotation marks and include stress. We're going to click search. And you'll see there are various different publications that will come up. The first example is a document from ERIC, and the reason that I know that it says ED, and that means that it's an ERIC document. For right now, though, we're going to select the second document. What I'd like to point out to you is that this document has a link to our databases. So in doing the Google Scholar search, if there is a link in our databases that we subscribe to, you will get this icon, full text at MVille, and you can follow that link. For right now, I want to show you what this citation looks like. So by clicking the title of the document, you'll be connected to this page, and this is also an ERIC document. An ERIC document is from the Education Resource Information Center, and you'll see that it says not available, but it provides information. Now we know, because we saw it on the first page of results, that there is a link to Manhattanville. So I'm going to click on the back button. Whoops, if this happens to you and it's not going to take you back, what you're going to do is going to click on the drop-down arrow of the back button, and you'll see that there is a link to college student stress in Google Scholar. It's going to take us back to our results page. So click that and we will go back to our results page. Now, because we have a link that says full text at Manhattanville, we're going to click on that link, full text MVille, and it will take us to our CastleCat Connect. If you want to get a copy of this article, you will see that it is included in our articles with our database, Psych Articles. And what you can do is you would click on Article, and it will hopefully connect us to that article. I'm going to make this page a little bit bigger. And we're going to click View Full Text Available on EBSCOhost. Now, if you are accessing this database link to Psych Articles from off campus, at this point you probably would have been asked for a username and password because you are off campus. Again, your username is your last name in lowercase, and your password to access databases off campus is your ID number without the 3 initial zeros. So username is last name in lowercase, password is your ID number without the 3 initial zeros. So there you go, you would have the full text of this article, and what we're going to do now is just X out of the article, and we're going to X out. We're taken back to the Castle Connect page. We want to go back to Google Scholar, click the back page, and again, we're back to the list of references that we came up with on Google Scholar. And you can page down and go through the list of results. I'm going to go to the next page. and I see a lot of journals. There's a reference to a government website. I'm going to go down again and look over the listing. You'll see that there are some full text available, a lot of journals. You will also be connected to several different books. In this search results, we have not found a lot of books. There are mostly journals. I'm going to just click this one, First Generation College Students, just to take a look at another citation. And you'll see it is an abstract of the article. Again, this is not a journal that we subscribe to, and you might want to go ahead and, if this is an article that you're interested in, you might want to decide to request it through interlibrary loan. In order to request an interlibrary loan, you would have to go to the library homepage and access the request forms. For an interlibrary loan, either book request form or an interlibrary loan article photocopy request. Just to rehash, in order to do a Google Scholar search, you can go to Google, www.google.com. You can go to More, go to Scholar, and you can put in your search. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions about using Google Scholar, please call the reference desk at 914-323-5282. Thank you very much.